it's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. So I'm just gonna get my strawberries. So y'all can't say that anything. This is a new pack of strawberries right here. See it right here. Here's the water. I got water right here. So I have my water right here, and bear in mind this is room temperature water. It's a bit warm, I should say, and I decided to add a lot of salt because I want to see if this is true. Because if this is true, I'm still gonna eat strawberry, but yeah. Let's see. Wait and see. So this been here for about 22 minutes now, and I wasn't seeing anything, so I added more salt. I was like, come on, wherever you are, worm, I want to see. Even going to like a lot of little, I don't know what you call this stuff, but a lot of little smally I don't know what you call them. So a lot of those little stuff, as you guys are seeing in the water, came off from the strawberries, but I would suggest that you actually wash it strawberries with salt, because normally I'd just rinse them off, but I realized that a lot of stuff actually does come off when you wash your strawberries with salt. However, we're still waiting on a worm to pop out, and at this point I was getting hungry now, so I took out the strawberries from in that bowl, and you're gonna see how the water was after. So this is the water after using it. Bye guys, it was your girl Ashley Alexandra, and check out my previous videos in my description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ajaele.01, that's AJAELE.01, and on Snapchat EXO28_beauty. Wash your strawberries and stay safe. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.